I hope you're having an amazing day. What is up, guys? In this video, we are going to show you how to remove your debit or credit card on Temu. Now, if you want to remove your credit card or your debit card on your Temu as a payment method, this is a video for you, so stay tuned. This is very fast, very brief, and very easy. So all you need to do is click on the U option, your profile on the bottom center of the main screen of Temu, like so, and you will be brought to your profile. Now, what you want to do next is click on this cog, not really a cog icon, not icon, which is for settings. It's right beside the headphones over here. So tap this. You will be brought to your settings. And in your settings, the very first option is going to be your payment method. So if you click on this, and you will be brought to this. So as you can see here, we have this credit card that we have as a payment method. So how do you remove this from your Temu account as a payment method? It's very easy. All you need to do is tap on this edit option here on the right hand side, like so. And here you're going to be having two options, which is to edit your card or delete your card. So of course you want to delete your card, and you're going to be asked to, do you still want to delete your card? Of course, delete your card, and you will be brought to this slide. So you're going to be giving them a reason why you're wanting to delete your credit card. So let's say prefer using other payment methods, and then click confirm. And then there you have it. Your credit or debit card has been deleted. That's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next one. Peace.